Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome to our electrifying YouTube channel. Today, we're about to embark on a mind-blowing journey into the fascinating realm of superconductors. Buckle up, because this is going to be one incredible ride. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of science enthusiasts. Let's get started. So, what exactly are superconductors? Well, imagine a material that can conduct electricity without any resistance. Yes, you heard that right, zero resistance. This means that when a current flows through a superconductor, it encounters no opposition whatsoever. It's like a magic highway for electrons. Now, hold on to your hats because superconductors have some mind-boggling properties. First up, the phenomenon of perfect diamagnetism. When placed in a magnetic field, superconductors create an opposing magnetic field, causing them to levitate above magnets. Yes, it's levitation right here on Earth. Let's talk about the real-world applications of superconductors. Ever wondered about those futuristic magnetic levitation trains? Well, superconductors make them possible. With zero resistance, these trains can zoom at incredible speeds, gliding effortlessly above the tracks. Say goodbye to traffic jams. But wait, there's more. Superconductors play a crucial role in the field of medical imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, is a prime example. By using superconducting magnets, we can get incredibly detailed images of the human body, helping doctors diagnose and treat patients with precision. Alright, it's time for some mind-bending experiments. We have here a superconductor cooled down to its critical temperature using liquid nitrogen. Watch as we demonstrate the levitation effect and witness the sheer wonder of zero resistance in action. We couldn't explore this extraordinary world without hearing from the experts. We're lucky to have leading scientists in the field of superconductivity joining us. They'll break down the science behind these incredible materials and share their excitement about the possibilities they offer. And there you have it, folks, the captivating world of superconductors. I don't know about you, but I'm still in awe of these mind-blowing materials and their potential impact on our lives. If you enjoyed this journey as much as we did, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more scientific wonders. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.